Okay, guys, let's see if this works. Now we're going to give everybody probably a chance to get back in here. All right, hopefully you can see and hear and everything's cool. Crypto Soldier, can you hear and see? Check 1, 2. All right, maybe we're all right. Let's give a chance for a few people to get back in here. Sorry for the troubles. I had a slight error message. I should have known it was going to screw up. What up, Taj? What up, G Money, Johnny Cool? Just wanted to go in and give another quick update. We did get that, what I think was the 1-2 off the low. If you're looking at Elliott Wave. And then still to, what's up, Batman? Hold on 1 second. Now I got to check something else. Hold on, guys. I got to bring up another window here. That got me screwed up. Let me try to bring this up as we're sitting there. What's going on, Alex? Want to bring up the intraday Bitcoin 5-minute again? Don't know where that went on me. Head and shoulders on the Bitcoin. I suppose you're going to be calling this a head, left shoulder, right shoulder. And then maybe a neckline slanted up here, I don't know. I'm not going to be feeling that at the moment, but with Bitcoin here at 6,500, I think we're going to catapult here in a second. What's up, Ryzen? Is what I think is going to happen here. Here was a chart from last night I was showing. This was showing the volume was coming in extremely negative on Bitcoin, and price was holding, so I said we might go down here and spring this low, or maybe we've already made the low. So we did have the strong rally off of that overnight. And then, I think probably we just another sideways consolidation, and we're going to rock and roll here again in just a second. So there's the current action on Bitcoin live. So you can see we did have volume come in off the low. We've consolidated that now in a little bit of an ABC. So I really think anything up here at 65 and a quarter probably gets us going, and then we roll through the 6,600 level. That's what I'm guessing at the moment. My developers haven't given me the new version yet today, so I'm hoping we get a few issues. recently that chart doesn't have any errors, but I know there's a couple on it, so they're trying to get that fixed. But we're back here 64.90. Bitcoin hold about 4,500. Excuse me. Oh. What's going on, Jeremy? So yeah, so I think we've done a 1-2. I think we'll probably do another little minor 1-2 on the Elliott wave count, and we're going to head up here. I think by Wyckoff everything is fine. Let me reload another chart here. And then, you know, we've had some pretty good action. Well, we've got NEO 13%, Ripple 8.5%, OMG 10. So we've got a lot of 10% gainers. So NEO finally looking decent off extremely low lows. We've got ADA 10% today. DigiByte 11.5%. So some of the coins we've been talking about performing pretty well here. That chart looks good. Wouldn't take, we wouldn't have to get much higher to break that out again for this rally. And we've got not much here on EOS. I did mention last night that was probably a buy. That was somebody panicking out, taking out stops, I guess. So I think that one continues to work higher here. Then we've got the usual XLM up 6%. Then we've got Zen having a big day, 12%. That one I think goes much higher. ZRX 13%. That one finally coming alive. It started a little bit slow here, so I think that one looks good. BTC at 1367. I don't know about that one. Yeah, Todd, I don't know if everybody expected the Ulster rally out of the hole like they did. There was a lot of sentiment down there, bearish. So yeah, you're going to have a dead cat bounce, some short covering. But we got to start somewhere. So, and if you're short Bitcoin, you got to be a little bit concerned. We had to set back here at 6,500, hold strong. There's Stunner in there, still looking for an email, which not getting yet. And I wanted to bring up, here's our Pulse of the Market stock software. I think this is the big thing here to keep wind behind us. This is the dollar. So we're having a pretty good down day today. Open lower, trading right at the same price. So I think this market is topped out. Dollar's topped out. Gold and silver's bottomed. Gold and silver's having a pretty good rally today. So I said last night I think gold and silver's turning up. Dollar down. Crypto's turning up. So overnight action was good. Let's see if we can keep this continuing. So that's really, didn't see much news. 40 out of 100 top cryptocurrencies have working products. Well, Coinbase CEO said real world adoption of cryptos is steadily rising. We just got a little bit overextended on some hope. What's up, Gary? I mean, the OP charts, you know, that's one place you're going to have really, I think, 96 exchanges and on a 5-minute basis. So it's really going to give you a real readout of what's going on with volume. So I think it's extremely important. I mean, here's the Bitcoin daily. We talked about this here. The red volume didn't get too high on the down here. So we could have tested the spring. We just got a little bit deep with the alts bleeding out. But this day here, we reversed. We had good volume come up here to the highs. And as we saw in the 5-minute, sell volume came in here, couldn't take it down. And now today we're digging out. We just need some volume, I think, now to come back in again. If we can get some volume now to come in and get us above the 6,600, keep us moving. I'm just needing these force and technometers. I need the technometer to calculate correctly, and I still know there's some errors there. So hopefully maybe we're going to get that fixed today or over the weekend. The developers think they found the issue. So if I can get that working, I'm going to be much better business. Here's Litecoin on the 5-minute. And I think these charts are setting up. We could have a really strong rally here, so that's what we're needing. Then I think you can somewhat trail the stop, especially if you're short-term trading. If you took that as a 1-2 off the low, you need to have stops in definitely now. If you bought anything last night, you don't want that position to turn into a loser. No way. I guess classic, I think it would have to dig in here, show some more strength surely. We're really back up to on the wave 5 highs, so we're not causing any issues here, but it'd be nice to see further strength out of classic. Here's bad up another 11%. That one looks nice. Ethereum up 3.7%. I would expect that one to dig in here as well. I wouldn't, short term, I guess I wouldn't like this 281 to give away. There's Bitcoin 6507. Trying to look at the Ethereum Classic 5-minute volume readings. Yeah, I'm not showing a lot of volume coming in to support Classic here, so that's somewhat the issue. Here's Classic Bitfinex. Volume doesn't look too bad there. See, there's Classic Polo. Volume definitely not doing well here. That's kind of what I'm showing on my charts, so not a lot of strong volume coming in for Classic. Yeah, ZRX looks good here. We're back to 80, up 13%. If this is a 1-2 here, or a 1-2 over to here, should continue to see gains there. Later, Gary. Thanks for stopping by. What's up, Hunter? No bull run until 2019. Well, it's Friday. I'm not sure if I'm headed home. I'll try to, if I stay here, I'll try to get live if we see some action. maybe try to shoot or nothing else, something recorded. Once again, I think if we break these highs here, we can probably get a really good rally going later today and into this weekend. So I think the lows here that we made, these lows need to hold to keep the bull case alive short term. No bull run until October 1, 2019. All right, guys, that's really all I got. Just wanted to come on and follow up from last night. So sorry for the earlier issue getting started. And we'll catch you when we see some more volatility. Have a good one.
Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading methods, which was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff. This online course teaches all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 915 students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. Let's hear what course graduate Robert Hastings had to say about the course. The content and instructors of Learn Cryptocurrency and Wyckoff course are both excellent. It's worth every Satoshi. At a minimum, it saved me thousands of dollars. LearnCrypto.io is owned and operated by Wyckoff SMI, also known as Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, which has been an authority on the Wyckoff trading method for over 85 years. Founded by Richard Wyckoff in the 1930s, Wyckoff Stock Market Institute has owned the rights of the Wyckoff trading course since the beginning. So enroll today in our cryptocurrency and Wyckoff trading course. You will receive lifetime access to our current 23 lessons as well as new ones we continue to add. Also gain access to our course group at LearnCrypto.io to talk with teachers and students as you proceed with your studies. You will also get our Cryptocurrency Pulse of the Market software at a 50% discount as an enrolled student. The only place where you can gain access to our free propriety indicators known as the Optimism-Pessimism Index, the Force Index, and the Technometer. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff.